Okay, the run menu is pretty much what you automatically have with this default toolbar. The play button, the pause or break button, and then the reset, which is I call it the stop button. So it's got those three. That's pretty well boring. Now when you go to the tools, here's some pretty interesting things here. So if you click on references right off the bat, you see that these are the default things that you can program in. The Microsoft Forms object library, the Visual Basic for applications. But if you scroll through there, and I would not mess with that unless you know what you're doing or unless you have looked up an article or downloaded an add-in or a reference thing that you want to start programming stuff with. Some of these may have to do with working with other programs, using Excel to play nice with other programs and how to program stuff. So that's under Tools and References. If you go to Tools Macros, it's just like hitting Control F8. It lists the current macros that you have, and you can run or step into or edit them. So under Tools, you also have options. Here's your different formatting options. You could have the text that you normally look at be a little bit bigger, or perhaps a different font. I just leave the defaults. Pretty plain about that. Different docking options. Some people opt to require a variable declaration. I do not. So again, if you don't like that, deal with it. But some people like to check this so that they have to declare every little variable that they run into. So you can click that, or if you want to always have to do that, you could always type the words option explicit at the top. And so that's how to take care of that. Then you have VBA project properties and digital signature. We're not gonna mess too much with the rest of these. The help files are pretty interesting if you want to read those. You can also just Google whatever you want help with, and oftentimes you can find more information that way as well.